Hi guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you where you can find the serial number and IMEI on Samsung Galaxy S9 if your phone doesn't power on. So let's do it. So if you need the serial number or the IMEI of your Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus and your phone doesn't power on, you must look on the back of your phone, in the bottom of the phone, and here you will find the IMEI and the serial number, and I will magnify for you. Okay, and now as you can see, we have here the model number SMG960F by DS is for dual SIM Samsung, and we have the IMEI, because it's dual SIM we have two IMEIs, and the last is the serial number of your phone. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.